Morning po, ma'am.
Good morning! Hello! Good morning po!
Good morning sa ating lahat. Good morning, guys. Kamusta po kayo?
Good morning! Welcome po sa ating programa ngayong umaga. First of all, before we start, I would like to ask all the participants from this Zoom to change their name into their first name and from what school. And for our live viewers from YouTube and Facebook naman, kindly comment down your name and your school. Thank you! Morning, guys!
Magandang umaga sa ating lahat, guys. Kumusta kayo dyan?
Good morning, guys!
Good morning, Sir Karim.
Good morning, Sir Karim.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Again, guys, I would like to ask all the participants from this Zoom to change their name into their first name and from what school kayo galing. And for our live viewers from YouTube and Facebook naman, kindly comment your name and your school. Thank you. Hello po. Welcome po.
Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome sa ating talk show.
Hello. Hola, Raquel. Sabay na ko tayo hanap.
Good morning, everyone. Remind lang po namin ulit. Please kindly unmute your mic and repeat your names and your first name and from what school saan po kayo galing.
Morning! Hello po! Welcome! We will start at exactly 10 a.m. po, so be ready. Relax lang po kayo.
Jolly morning sa lahat ng tao dito sa Zoom and sa ating mga live viewers. How are you guys?
And heart reaction kung ready na po kayo.
I'm so glad to hear na okay lang kayo, Sir Don.
Maliit lang yan. Hindi siya pwede. Maganda. Parang ang nila ng picture. Okay. Paano mo yun?
Again, good morning guys. Sana nakapag-breakfast kayo dyan. And I would like to
guys. So, again, I would like to ask all the participants in this Zoom to change their name into their first name and from what school kayo galing. And for our live viewers from YouTube and Facebook, kindly comment down your name and your school. Thank you. Hello po sa mga viewers natin sa Facebook and YouTube.
Hi guys! Sana nakapag-breakfast na kayong lahat, no? Good morning!
We will start at exactly 10 a.m. So guys, just relax and be ready. Good morning, guys.
Good morning!
Good morning from Bataan.
Magandang umaga sa inyo from Pampanga.
Good morning din po, Miss Christine.
Wow, good morning from Baguio. Good morning, Ma'am Shane.
Good morning from Layfield of Bulacan. Good morning, everyone! So, kamusta naman kayo? Again, I would like to ask all our participants in this Zoom to change their name into their first name and from what school kayo galing. And for our live viewers naman sa YouTube and Facebook, kindly comment down your name and your school. Thank you!
Again, isang maligayang at magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Allow us to introduce ourselves first. I'm Lorraine Bullacer.
And I am K&A Ramos, your host for today as we mark the first episode of TV show presented by Accounting Portal Philippines entitled All About Accounting.
Account Talks.
And for this episode, we will be tackling about capital budgeting.
Hala, Ma'am Kayan, what is capital budgeting po pa ba? Parang mabigatin yun, Mama.
Miss Lorraine, sa pagkakaalam ko, pag sinabing capital budgeting, ito yung evaluation process na ginagawa ng company for the possible projects or investments nila.
Wow, Ma'am Kayan, parang halatang nag-research siya.
Scripted ba? Siyempre naman, baka tanungin tayo nung guest natin nakakaya kasi kung bigla na lang tayo matutulala pag-usapang capital budgeting na.
True, partner. Nakakahiya, tsaka medyo ang pangit din tignan kasi ang mga accounting students tayo, di ba? Tsaka
Yes,
nakakahiya,
partner.
nakakahiya ngayon, lalo na't bigatin yung guest natin for today.
Naku, partner, balita ko, top notcher daw itong guest natin for today. Kaya naman, nag-prepare talaga ako para dito, partner. Ni-review ko pa yung mga past lesson ko kahit sobrang pangit ng sulat ko, talagang pinilit kong intindihan para dito.
Same, partner. Buti na lang nagsisend talaga yung professor namin dati ng mga modules. So without further ado, let us introduce our guest for today.
Teka lang naman, partner, nagmamadali ka na naman, agad-agad. May pa-games muna tayo para ma-prepare tayong lahat bago sumabak sa main event. Are you excited, partner?
Sorry, partner. Nakalimutan ko may games pala. Medyo na-excite ako kasi Alam mo naman kasi ako, medyo takot kasi ako sa laro.
Grabe ka, partner. Takot saan? Sa laro ba? Sa game?
Alam mo naman na yung experience ko, ilang beses na kasi akong napaglaruan. Charat! Hindi, kasi nakaka-excite talaga na matuto tsaka makinig sa guest natin ngayon. Excited na excited ako, sis.
Halatang-halata nga, partner. Ikaw naman, napaka-sad girl mo. Pero anyways, kung sino man gumawa niyan sa'yo, alam mo, it's his loss. So, mukhang handang-handa ng lahat. So, before we start, let's have a mini activity to energize everyone. All our participants in this Zoom and all the live viewers from Facebook and Accounting Portal YouTube channel, you are all part of this activity.
Yes, partner, tama ka dyan. So sa mga viewers natin dyan and sa ating Zoom live, we encourage you all to participate. Ano nga ba yung activity natin ngayon, partner?
Naku, masaya to, partner. So this activity, mag-share ang ating mga participants and live audience ng kanilang unforgettable, nakakahiya, nakakatawa at di malilimutang lutang moments sa accounting.
Oh my God, parang ang dami ko atang experience dyan, partner. Hindi natin maiiwasan yan. Di ba halos lahat ata tayo may lutang moments, lalo na tayo mga accounting students.
Siyempre naman, partner, yan na ang tatak natin mga accounting student, mga lutang. Pero here is the mechanics of our activity. Our Zoom participants as well as our live audience will share their lutang moments and we will pick 2 comments and those who will be get the highest reactions will be our story sharer for this activity.
So partner, parang ang pagkakaintindi ko ay paramihan tayo ng reacts sa comment section para mapili natin yung lutang moments.
Oo naman, partner, parang kumbaga kung sinong pinaka-famous sa kahihiyan at lutang moments nila, sila ang pipiliin natin. Pero para lang ito sa live audience. So para naman sa Zoom, we will pick 2 volunteers to share their lutang moments.
Sa ating Zoom participants and live audiences, are you ready to share your story?
Are you ready to share your story, guys? Send hearts nga if you're ready.
Yan, true. So, ready na ba kayo mag-share ng lutang moments nyo? I'm sure marami tayo niyan.
I'm really sure, partner, maraming, lalo na tayong mga accounting students. You can share now your lutang moments, guys. So, let's start here in Zoom. Sino pong pwede mag-volunteer, guys, to share their lutang moments? So,
Wait lang,
partner,
one
dahil wala pa
second.
nagbo-volunteer, tayo muna ang magkwento dahil madami naman tayong pwede ikwento eh. So, start ka na, partner. Ano bang pinakang lutang moments mo sa accounting, partner?
Bakit ako, partner? Medyo nakakahiya. Na-embarrass ako agad kay Sir Karim. Excited pa naman ako sa kanya. Well, alam mo naman ako, onting lambing lang. Sige, go. Wait, isip ako, marami akong lutang moments eh. Siguro
Ano
yung lutang...
magpa-tweet? Go, partner!
Alam mo naman ako, siguro yung number 1 lutang moment ko talaga, nung first year ako talaga ng accounting and first week talaga ng accounting, ng college. 'Di ba? Parang pag PUP kasi, since I'm from PUP, pag PUP kasi meron tayong mga buildings, yung North Wing, yung South Wing, yung East Wing. Yung accounting, nasa West Wing siya. Yung napuntahan ko, North Wing. Tapos, 2 hours na akong nakaupo doon sa loob ng classroom. Nung nag-a-attendance, hindi ako tinatawag. Pinipilit ko na ako taga doon. Talagang sabi ko, ma'am, dito po talaga ako. Accounting student ako.